Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11. So I'm going to open up my browser and I'll go into google.com and I'll type Google Chrome here and click the first link to download Google Chrome. I will scroll down here and click on Download Chrome. I will click on Open File on chromesetup.exe. I will click on Yes. And now it will try to download the Google Chrome setup files. Once the download has been completed, you can see it will start installing Google Chrome. And that's how simple it was to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11. I thank you for watching this video. For more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel.